Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today we explore a lifestyle that has nourished communities and fostered remarkable vitality for generations. We shall delve into the Mediterranean diet, consistently ranked as the healthiest way to eat. What makes this ancient approach captivate modern science? How does it stand resilient against fleeting trends? We will uncover the balance of nutrients and the sheer pleasure that defines this dietary pattern. Join us as we investigate the fundamental principles, compelling scientific evidence, and simple ways to embrace this celebrated approach. It is a story of connection to the earth, to our food, and to a profound understanding of living well. The Mediterranean diet is more than a list of foods. It is an invitation to a richer, healthier, and more joyful existence. Chapter 1. Defining a lifestyle. The term diet here is not a rigid prescription but a deeply ingrained way of life. Inspired by the traditional culinary habits of Mediterranean nations like Greece, Italy, and Spain, this lifestyle celebrates an abundance of plant-based foods. Imagine tables laden with fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are the foundation of meals, respected and cherished for their life-giving properties. Olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, is used generously for its flavor and health benefits. Fish and seafood offer lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while dairy and poultry are consumed in moderation. Red meat plays a smaller role, reserved for special occasions. Even wine, particularly red wine, can be enjoyed moderately with meals. This lifestyle emphasizes minimal consumption of highly processed foods and sugary drinks. Consider a typical meal-grilled fish with olive oil, roasted vegetables, whole grain bread, and a modest glass of red wine. It is a simple, satisfying, and deeply nourishing meal, illustrating the principles of this diet. This approach is about balance and enjoyment, not deprivation. It is a harmonious blend of nature's finest offerings, contributing to a more balanced and sustainable approach to nourishment. The Mediterranean diet is a celebration of good food and a sustainable path to well-being. Chapter 2. A Legacy of WellBeing. The Mediterranean way of eating consistently receives the highest commendations from modern science. Esteemed bodies like the U.S. News and World Report place this diet at the pinnacle of health rankings. Decades of research show that adherence to a Mediterranean-style diet is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. This includes lower incidences of heart attacks and strokes. The diet also improves cholesterol profiles and blood pressure levels. It offers considerable advantages for blood sugar regulation, improving insulin sensitivity, and aiding in the management of type 2 diabetes. Emerging research links the Mediterranean diet to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. A landmark study found that individuals adhering to this diet experienced a 30% lower risk of major cardiovascular events. This consistent endorsement is rooted in a deep understanding of how the diet's components interact to promote optimal physiological function. The Mediterranean diet is a powerful tool for disease prevention and overall health. It is a testament to the wisdom of consuming whole, natural foods. Chapter 3. The Joy of Enduring Nourishment. The Mediterranean diet's success lies in its sustainability and pleasure. Unlike restrictive fad diets, this approach is delicious, flexible, and easy to maintain. It fosters a balanced approach, encouraging an appreciation for the quality and variety of food. Meals can include a glass of wine, good bread, and even dessert. The emphasis is on mindfulness and making conscious choices. The diet encourages the consumption of whole, natural ingredients. It is about quality over quantity, ensuring every mouthful contributes positively to health. The social aspect of eating, central to Mediterranean cultures, fosters connection and a positive relationship with food. The Mediterranean diet is a celebration of good food and a sustainable path to well-being. It aligns with our desire for satisfying, delicious meals. Healthy eating and culinary pleasure can walk hand in hand. Chapter 4. Nature's Defense Against Ailments. The Mediterranean diet acts as a natural shield against chronic inflammation. Its richness in anti-inflammatory compounds like antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids helps modulate the body's inflammatory responses. Extra virgin olive oil packed with oleocanthal has anti-inflammatory effects. Nuts and seeds contribute healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients. A breakfast of Greek yogurt, mixed berries, chia seeds, and walnuts delivers a symphony of anti-inflammatory nutrients. This constant infusion of protective compounds creates an internal environment less prone to chronic inflammation. It is not about a single superfood but the synergistic effect of a whole dietary pattern. The Mediterranean diet's variety of natural, unprocessed foods contributes to overall health. It is a testament to the wisdom of consuming a wide variety of natural foods. Chapter 5. The Gentle Path to a Healthy Form. The Mediterranean diet naturally promotes a healthy body weight. Its richness in dietary fiber and protein promotes satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. The diet limits highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates. It emphasizes nutrient-dense foods, providing a high level of vitamins and minerals. A Mediterranean-style meal like grilled chicken with lentil stew and roasted vegetables is satisfying and keeps hunger at bay. This combination of high fiber, adequate protein, and healthy fats allows for weight management without constant hunger or deprivation. The diet fosters a healthy relationship with food. The body, when provided with the right building blocks, finds its natural, healthy equilibrium. The Mediterranean diet offers these building blocks, allowing for a gentle journey towards a healthier weight. It is a sustainable and enjoyable approach to managing physical form. The Mediterranean diet is a deeply nourishing and satisfying way of life. Chapter 6. A gentle transition to a healthier horizon. Adopting the Mediterranean diet can be a gradual, enjoyable transition. Start by replacing less healthy fats with extra virgin olive oil. Increase the quantity and variety of vegetables with every meal. Switch to whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and quinoa. Choose fresh fruit, unsalted nuts, or olives for snacks. Incorporate fish into your weekly meal plan, aiming for 2 to 3 servings. Embrace the tradition of enjoying meals with others, savoring each bite. These are gentle invitations, not rigid rules. Start with 1 or 2 changes and gradually incorporate others. The journey towards a Mediterranean lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. It is a gradual embrace of a pattern of eating that has sustained vibrant cultures for centuries. The Mediterranean diet offers a path to a healthier, more flavorful, and deeply satisfying life. It is accessible to us all, bringing the essence of ancient wisdom into modern life. The Mediterranean diet is a celebration of good food and a sustainable path to well-being. It aligns with our desire for satisfying, delicious meals. Chapter 7. A Legacy of Health, a Future of Vitality. Our exploration of the Mediterranean diet draws to a close. This way of eating, born from ancient traditions, stands as a beacon of health and vitality. It is a testament to the wisdom of consuming whole, natural foods. The evidence is compelling and the path to embracing it is accessible to us all. The Mediterranean diet offers a harmonious blend of delicious flavors and health benefits. It reminds us that true nourishment is about abundance, not deprivation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Body Making Health Management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.